He seems like a gentleman, but he's very strong and commanding, with a great sense of humor and an easy smile.
Justice Douglas is one of the kindest, thoughtful, warm-hearted people that you'll ever want to meet.
Justice Douglas is very smart. One of the qualities I most admire about him is his grace.
He's never set himself above anyone else. He's always humble.
He would work with people with a great deal of determination and resolve in their problems. Most of the time, Judge Douglas was always very serious about everything.
That's not the side of him I'm most familiar with, the stern side. I'm more familiar with going to Super Bowl parties at his house where he's the life of the party.
He loved to have parties, so we had lots of parties.
Well, I think people forget he was a pretty good high school football player. He was a running back in Southern California. Well, I wouldn't call it an idiosyncrasy or a fetish, but he loves cars. He just does.
I enjoy teasing Justice Douglas. We have quite a banter back and forth, and so I'm really excited all these people came tonight because Justice Douglas agreed to buy all your dinner.
One of the things I admired about Justice Douglas, he was really a person of really good character.
He is really a person to be admired. And without knowing it or purposefully trying to do it, he has an impact on people, a positive impact. He truly is a role model.
He was always very keen on one important component, and that's giving back.
He likes to help people. He is an extraordinary people person.
He dotes on his family. He and his wife are virtually inseparable. Every time you see one, you see the other at social events. And his grandchildren are the delight of his life. He's just a person who loves people.
I think the other thing that impresses me, though, is his devotion and love for his family and to Martha in particular. She is a dear.
Well, even though he is the first African American to sit on the Nevada Supreme Court, that is almost to me like just part of the story.
He cares about the little guy, and that's why his heart and soul has been in pro bono and access to justice almost his entire legal career here in Nevada.
He managed to bring all of the legal aid providers together within one umbrella.
He would always try to bring out the best in people.
He cares about equal justice for all.
He just is steady as you go, thoughtful, quiet, and really a model judge as a result of it.
He sticks to the law.
He's virtually unflappable in the legal arena to both those who are working with him, those who are opponents, and those who appear before him. And I think that's a remarkable attribute he possesses.
Well, he brings a unique perspective to not just the Supreme Court, but to the Nevada's system of justice as a whole, because he sat as a district attorney, he was a trial judge, and he was a Supreme Court justice.
He brought a very, very brilliant analytical mind. He was always dedicated to the law.
He was always generous with his time.
The numerous law clerks and young lawyers that he's mentored, the individuals he's inspired in the legal community by virtue of his body of work, his work ethic, and his commitment to access to justice. And those, I think, are the things he'll be remembered for forever.
Congratulations on your retirement, even though it's not really a retirement. It was my honor to work for you, and an extra bonus was becoming good friends with Martha. And it just couldn't have been a happier time. I have great memories. I love both of you. God bless.
Mike, Justice Douglas, I just want to thank you and congratulate you for the time served on behalf of the state of Nevada. You have displayed intelligence, grace, a work ethic, and dignity from day one. And I know you'll enjoy your retirement, but I anticipate you will still be busy. So to you and Martha, once again, congratulations. Job well done.
Okay, my longtime friend, Justice Douglas, I want to congratulate you for all the honors that have been being bestowed upon you. It couldn't happen to a better person. You deserve it.
Congratulations on your retirement, Justice Douglas. I know you have plans to work on Porsches and perhaps finally take Martha on some vacations, but please always remember, you can do a pro bono case.
I've really enjoyed working with Mike and being around him and Martha. You and Mike are two wonderful people, great friends. I want to thank you so much for letting the court, the citizens of Nevada have his time, his talent, and his effort. It's meant so much to all of us. We're very lucky to have had him on the court and to get to know you and him as we have. Best wishes, Mike, to you in your retirement. And Martha, you get your man back and I'm sure you're a happy lady.
Congratulations on your retirement. It's well deserved. I wish you well in your next adventures. Love you bunches.